Let us see the next question, question number 15. Question number 15 is based on truth table. Truth table is a very important tool for solving some difficult problems in reasoning. In truth table, we will have to follow a simple principle of ticking the correct position and then marking the wrong positions. We use cross and tick as a good tool to arrive at the correct answer. This problem is based on truth table. 7 members H, I, J, K, L, M and N are working in different cities: Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Calcutta, Delhi, Mumbai, not necessarily in the same order. The key word here is they are working in different cities. They are not working. No two persons are working in the same city. There are 7 persons and 7 cities. Each one of them is living in a different city. That is a basic point we have to take into our mind. Then second point is each one has a different mother tongue. Tamil, Kannada, Telugu, Hindi, Marathi, Punjabi and Bangla. There are 7 persons and they have 7 different mother tongues. No two person has the same mother tongue. That is why it is very clearly stated each one has got a different mother tongue. So they live in 2 different cities. These 7 persons live in different cities and they have different mother tongues. So this is the point which you have to bear in mind before we start solving it. J works in Bangalore and his mother tongue is not Tamil or Marathi. K's mother tongue is Punjabi and he works in Ahmedabad. L and M do not work in Chennai and none of them has Marathi as mother tongue. I works in Hyderabad and his mother tongue is Telugu. The one who works in Delhi has Bengal as mother tongue. N works in Mumbai and his mother tongue is Hindi. L does not work in Calcutta. Now you see there are 8 or 7 clues given with so many negatives and it is very difficult to keep every one of them in the mind's picture, and that is where the truth table comes in handy for us to solve this hocus pocus of so much of confusion. Let us see the working for this truth table, question number 15. Now what I have done here is I have already drawn the truth table, the bare element of the truth table, so that we can save some time. Now what I have done, the persons H, I, J, K, L, M and N, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the 7 persons are here and the 7 cities are drawn in the various columns: Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai. Similarly, the mother tongue of these people are Tamil, Kannada, Telugu, Hindi, Marathi, Punjabi and Bangla. Now we will have to fill up this table so that we will be able to arrive at the correct answers for the questions. Now what are the clues? Let us first start filling the clues one by one. First clue is J works in Bangalore. J works in Bangalore. Mark a tick here. That means J cannot work in any other city. And no one can work in Bangalore. Right? Then his mother tongue is not Tamil or Marathi. J's mother tongue is not Tamil or Marathi. It is not Tamil or Marathi. Marathi is here. J's mother tongue is not Tamil or Marathi. The second clue is K's mother tongue is Punjabi. K's mother tongue is Punjabi. K's mother tongue is Punjabi. We will mark it here. Once we mark it here, we have to cross all others. Right. K's mother tongue is Punjabi and he works in Ahmedabad. K's mother tongue is Punjabi and he works in Ahmedabad. K works in Ahmedabad That means K cannot work in any other city and no one can work in Ahmedabad. Now, L and M do not work in Chennai. L and M do not work in Chennai. I have marked. They do not work in Chennai. And none of them has Marathi as their mother tongue. L and M don't have Marathi as their mother tongue. L and M, this is Marathi. Say they don't have Marathi as their mother tongue. Right. I works in Hyderabad. I works in Hyderabad. So we will cross the other columns. I works in Hyderabad and his mother tongue is Telugu. I's mother tongue is Telugu. Telugu means all other columns can be cancelled. Right? Now let us see the next clue. The one who works in Delhi has Bangla as his mother tongue. We don't know who works in Delhi and therefore we will park this clue separately. Next clue is N works in Mumbai. N works in Mumbai and his mother tongue is Hindi. N works in Mumbai. Therefore we can cross all others. N works in Mumbai and his mother tongue is Hindi. N's mother tongue is Hindi. Therefore we can cross all others. L does not work in Calcutta. L does not work in Calcutta. Now, we have L. L has to, all other columns are crossed, so L has to work in Delhi. If he works in Delhi, then we have to cross these two. Then we have M. M has to work in Kolkata. If M works in Kolkata, nobody can work in Calcutta. Now we have this column blank, so H has to work in Chennai. Now we have filled up all the cities. Now please remember we have parked one of the clues. The one who works in Delhi has Bengal as his mother tongue. So who works in Delhi? The one who works in Delhi. L is working in Delhi and therefore his mother tongue is Bangla. Has Bangla as the mother tongue. L works in Delhi and his mother tongue is Bangla. Put Bangla here. Again L, the one who works in Delhi has Bangla as the mother tongue. Then we will cross the other. Now coming to this truth table of mother tongue, we have J here. J must know Kannada, must speak Kannada, and therefore we can cross out these columns. Then we have M here. M has to speak Tamil and we can cross out this column. Then we have only one column now left, that is H Marathi. So we have a position in which H is living in Chennai, I is living in Hyderabad, J is living in Bangalore and K is living in Ahmedabad L is living in Delhi and M is living in Kolkata, N is living in Mumbai. Similarly, their mother tongue is, the mother tongue of H is mother tongue of Telugu, mother tongue of J is Kannada, mother tongue of K is Punjabi, mother tongue of L is Bangla, mother tongue of M is Tamil, and mother tongue of N is Hindi. Now with the help of this table, we are able to plot and map the persons to their cities and to the mother tongue. So what is the first question? What is J's mother tongue? J's mother tongue is Kannada. Let us see the working for question number 15. J's mother tongue is Kannada. Let us see the answer slide, options in the answer slide. What is the mother tongue of J? They have Telugu, Hindi, Bangla, Kannada, and none of these. And J's mother tongue is Kannada. The answer for question number 15 is option D, Kannada. So what is the next question? Let us see the next question. Question number 16. Same question based on the previous question on which we have drawn the truth table. Who works in Chennai? So let us see the working for question number 16. Question number 16 is who works in Chennai? H is working in Chennai. You can see from the table, H is working in Chennai. Let us see the answer slide. The answer slide asks, who works in Chennai? The various options given are H, L, M, L or M, none of these. The correct answer is option A, H. Let us go to the next question. Question number 17, which is again based on the previous truth table. Which of the following combinations is correct? Marathi, I, Hyderabad, Tamil, M, Kolkata, Marathi, I, Chennai, Punjabi, K, Delhi, none of these. Let us see the working. Question number 17. What is the question? Question number 17. Which of the following combination is correct? There, Tamil, M, Kolkata is the only correct option. First option is Marathi, I, Hyderabad. I, Hyderabad, but Marathi is not the mother tongue. Mother tongue is Telugu. Second, Tamil, M, Kolkata. M lives in Kolkata and his mother tongue is Tamil. So that combination is correct. So for question number 17, Tamil, M, Kolkata combination is correct. Let us see the slide for various options. The question is, which of the following combination is correct? Marathi, I, Hyderabad, Tamil, M, Kolkata, Marathi, I, Chennai, Punjabi, K, Delhi, none of these. For this, the option B, Tamil, M, Kolkata is the correct answer. Let us see the next question, question number 17, which is again based on the previous question number 15. Who works in Delhi? Let us see the working. Question number 18. Who works in Delhi? Who works in Delhi? L works in Delhi. You can see the table. L works in Delhi. Once you draw the truth table, the answer, finding of the answer is in a matter of seconds you can do it. You have to be very careful in drawing the truth table. Once that job is done, all the questions can be answered in a jiffy. Who works in Delhi? The answer is L works in Delhi. Let us see the options in the slide. Who works in the Delhi? H, M, L, K, none of these. The correct answer is L works in option C. L works in Delhi. Let us go to the next question. Question number 19. What is M's mother tongue? Let us see the working. What is M's mother tongue? M's mother tongue is Tamil. But in the option given, Bangla, Marathi, Telugu cannot be determined is given. Let us see the options once again. The options given, as you can see in the slide, is Bangla, Marathi, Telugu cannot be determined. None of these can be the first four options are wrong. Bangla is not the mother tongue. Tamil is the mother tongue of M. So Bangla is not the mother tongue, Marathi is not the mother tongue, Telugu is not the mother tongue. Cannot be determined is flatly wrong. Therefore, the correct answer is none of these. So we have answered about 5 or 6 questions based on one truth table, and it is very important that you learn the art of making the truth table, because definitely nowadays one question comes from truth table in all the reasoning exam.